Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going on a tour of the Thousand Islands from Kingston, Ontario. Right on the border between the US and Canada, the St. Lawrence River shows off with the stunning Thousand Islands. There are over 1,800 islands, islets, and rocky spots here, each one adding to the natural beauty. Picture emerald green islands with lush greenery, all reflected in the clear blue waters. Imagine historic castles and lighthouses standing tall and telling stories of the past. This is the magic of the Thousand Islands. Kingston, Ontario is our starting point for this adventure because the Thousand Islands cruise boats on the Canadian side depart from Kingston. It's approximately a 2-hour and 37-minute drive from downtown Toronto to Kingston. From its lively waterfront to its charming downtown, Kingston gives you a taste of Canadian hospitality before you even set sail. Among the cute shops and tasty restaurants of Kingston, you'll find the heart of the Thousand Islands experience, the tour boats. The boarding pier is located in downtown Kingston at 1 Brock Street. If you didn't purchase your tickets online, you can purchase them at their storefront location at 248 Ontario Street. This is also the gift shop, so if you want to pick up some souvenirs, you can do so from here. There is a parking lot right beside the gift shop where you can leave your car for a small fee while you go and enjoy the tour. I don't remember the exact amount I paid for parking there when I visited, but it wasn't expensive. I found that parking lot convenient because it was a short walk from there to the boarding pier. Guests are advised to arrive at least 30 minutes before their boarding time. There are a variety of tour options to choose from. If you're short on time, 1 hour gives you a sweet taste of the islands. You'll cruise by some of the most famous spots, soaking in all the views. If you want to see more, these longer trips let you check out hidden coves and dive into the rich history of the area. I took the 3-hour Heart of the Islands tour when I visited, but you can choose the best tour for you. During my tour, I was on the boat the entire time. If you want to stop and tour the popular Bolt Castle, purchase a ticket that includes the Bolt Castle admission. There's a link to the tour options in the description box of this video for those who want to check it out. Depending on the tour you choose, adults pay around $35 to $60 for a full tour. Children pay a little over half the price of the adult tickets, and infants pay even less. If you're planning a tour to the Thousand Islands, check the link in the description box and select the specific tour you are interested in to see the actual price for that tour. No matter which tour you pick, get ready to be wowed by the stunning beauty and fascinating history of the 1,000 islands. I have to warn you though, the beginning of the longer tours might feel slow or boring because the real beauty of the Thousand Islands, in my opinion, is about 2 hours into the tour. If you purchased your ticket online, you will receive an email with detailed information about your departure. This email will include the departure date and time, the name of the boat, the boarding time, and the address for ticket pickup. Additionally, it will provide recommendations for parking, including the addresses of nearby parking facilities. On the day of your tour, please allow ample time for travel, considering potential traffic delays. Ensure you have enough time to park, pick up your boarding ticket, and walk to the boarding location, as the tour does not provide refunds or alternative tours for late arrivals. If you are touring as a group, all members must be present at the time of boarding. There might be a little bit of a line at boarding, but when I visited, the line moved pretty quickly. Friendly faces greet you as you board the boat, their smiles as beautiful as the St. Lawrence River you are about to explore. As you hop on board, you pick your preferred spot for the ride. You can chill in the comfy lower deck of the boat or enjoy the breeze on the upper deck. The middle deck is reserved for visitors who purchase the lunch or dinner tickets. One downside of the upper deck to keep in mind is the presence of numerous flying bugs. With a child who is terrified of insects, this made the situation even more challenging for me. I had hoped the bugs would disperse once the boat set off, but unfortunately, they remained throughout the journey. In my opinion, the constant swarming of bugs significantly detracted from the overall experience of the tour. But anyway, once everyone is seated, the engines roar to life. And just like that, the adventure begins. The lower deck has these huge windows, giving you great views of the scenery as you cruise by. If you prefer feeling the breeze and soaking up the sun, head to the upper deck. The open air seating is perfect for snapping photos and enjoying the fresh air. Many boats also have a snack bar or restaurant where you can grab some snacks and drinks during the trip for a fee. Leaving Kingston Harbor behind, the St. Lawrence River shows off its stunning views. The deep blue waters sparkle under the sun, dotted with the lush green gems of the 1,000 islands. The captain, a seasoned sailor, shares some awesome stories about the area's history and nature. Every island you pass has its own story, adding to the unique puzzle of the 1,000 islands. As you dive deeper into the archipelago, the real charm of the 1,000 islands starts to shine. The boat skillfully weaves through channels, each turn revealing a new, stunning view. You'll cruise past adorable island cottages, some of which are over 100 years old. One of the best parts of any 1,000 islands trip is spotting the local wildlife. As your boat tour wraps up and you say goodbye to the magical Thousand Islands, you'll be taking home a bunch of awesome memories. The stunning views, the cool history, the relaxing vibe of the water. These are the moments that will stick with you long after you're back on land. I believe the Thousand Islands tour is worth it in general. Here are my tips to ensure you have the best experience when you visit. Plan to arrive at least an hour before your departure time. This extra time accounts for potential traffic or unforeseen delays, ensuring you have enough time to pick up your boarding ticket and board the boat. If possible, book the lunch or dinner experience to relax comfortably on the middle deck. If you opt for the sightseeing tour like I did, secure a spot on the lower deck to avoid bugs. You can always head to the upper deck for photos and then return to the lower deck for the rest of the tour. The boat's restroom may not be the cleanest, so it's best to use the bathroom at home or in your hotel before the tour. Lastly, have fun. Soak in the beautiful views and take plenty of photos and videos to capture the memories. Thank you for touring the Thousand Islands with me today. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you've visited the Thousand Islands already, let me know about your experience in the comments section below. I'll love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Happy travels!